Hello students, this is Ronita. Welcome to my channel. Let's solve with Ronita. Now in this video, I am going to start chapter 6. Now you know that I have already done chapter 5, the key concept of quadratic equation, and then I have solved exercise 5a to exercise 5e. Okay. Now this chapter is just application of the concept of quadratic equation. In this chapter, we will get mainly word problems, and here what you need to do, you just need to read that problem, you have to understand that problem, and then you have to convert that word problem to quadratic equation. Okay, the mathematically you have to write it, and then you have to solve that quadratic equation, and solution of that quadratic equation, that will be the answer of that problem. Okay, understood? And this is how you have to face that word problems. So in this video, I am going to start 6a, exercise 6a. I will read all the word problems. First, we will convert it into quadratic equation. Then I am going to solve that quadratic equation and I will get final answer. Okay. Now another thing I want to say, see, after each chapter, I have already told that in the book of Concise Mathematics, there is test yourself column, right? I have already done test yourself after that chapter 4. Now after chapter 5, just after exercise 5e, there is a test yourself column that I am going to do after 6e. Okay. From this video, I am going to solve 6a to 6e back to back. I will upload videos of 6a, 6b, 6c and 6d and 6e. Okay, 5 exercise. Okay, so back to back I will upload 5 exercise first, then I will do test yourself from that previous chapter, I mean chapter 5, and from this chapter. Okay, clear? No confusion? Without any further delay, let's start. Question number 1. Okay, so see, sum of two natural number is 5. See, this is given, sum of two natural number is 5 and sum of their reciprocal is 5 by 6. Now see, sum of two natural number is 5. That means if one number is x, another number will be 5 minus x, and sum of the reciprocal, that means 1 by x plus 1 by 5 minus x equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Now if you clear these fractions, 5 minus x plus x equal to 5 by 6. Now 5 minus x plus x, so you can cancel this one, and so it will be 5, and 5x minus x square equal to 5 by 6. So 6 equal to 5x minus x square. So from here you can say x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 3 minus 2 you can take common. So x equal to 3 or x equal to 2. One number is 3, then the other number will be 2, and if one number is 2, then the other will be 3. So this two number will be 3 and 2. Okay. So option will be 3. Option 3 will be the correct answer. Okay. Product of two consecutive even whole number. Consecutive even whole number, that means if one number is x, another number will be x plus 2. Now the product of these two number is 24. So x into x plus 2, that will be equal to 24. So x square plus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So you will get, see, 24 means 6 into 4. So you can write like this. So x will be 4 or minus 6. Now see, here it is written that whole number, even whole number. So x can't be minus 6. So x will be 4. Okay. So if x is 4, that means another number will be 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay. So two number will be 4 and 6. This one will be the correct answer. See, B, option 4. Okay. Now see, question number C. The sum of squares of two consecutive integer is 41. So if one number is x, that means another one will be x plus 1, and sum of the square of these two terms, so x square plus x plus 1 square, that will be 41 according to the problem. So from here you will get 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 41 equal to 0. So that means 2x square plus 2x minus 40 equal to 0, and you can write minus 20 equal to 0, and x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Now from here you can say x equal to minus 5 or 4. Okay. Now see, they have told integer, so they both are integer. You have to consider both the cases. So if x is minus 5, then x plus 1 will be minus 5 plus 1, that will be minus 4. Okay. And if x is 4, that means x plus 1 will be 5. Okay. So minus 4 minus 5 or 4 and 5. So answer will be this one. Option 2 will be the correct answer. 4 and 5 or minus 4 minus 5. Okay. Question number D. Sum of a number and its reciprocal. Sum of a number and its reciprocal, that means x plus 1 by x, that is 5.2. X square plus 1 equal to 5.2, or you can say 52 by 10. Okay. So 10x square plus 10 minus 52x equal to 0. Okay. So you can write it like this, 5x square minus 52 by 2, 26, x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can say 5x square minus 25x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. So 5x, if you take common, x minus 5 minus 1, x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or 1 by 5. Okay. Okay. These two will be the case. Okay. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now E. Two integers differ by 2 and sum of their square is 52. So see, two integers differ by 2, that means if one integer is x, another will be x plus 2. Okay. Sum of their square, so x square plus x plus 2 square equal to 52. That means from this 2 portion you will get 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 52 equal to 0. Okay. Now 2x square plus 4x minus, so minus 48 equal to 0. Okay. Now you can write like this. So it will be x square plus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Now 24, so you can write like this. So x plus 6 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So x will be minus 6 or 4. Okay, x will be minus 6 or 4. Now see, sum of these two integer differ by 2. So you have to consider both the cases. Okay. So if x is minus 6, then another number will be minus 4. Okay. So minus 4 and minus 6, that can be one case, right? And another case, when x equal to 4, then another number will be x plus 2, that will be 6. So that is also a case. Okay. You have to consider both. So option 4, see the options, 4 and 6, 4 or 6, minus 4 or 6, minus 4 and minus 6, or 6 and 4. That is the correct answer. Option, so question number E, option 4 will be the correct answer. Okay. See question number 2. Divide 15 into 2 parts. Suppose first part is x. So you have to write. Okay. See, before that all questions was MCQ. So for that you just need to do the rough work. But from question number 2 you need to write properly. Okay. Let divide 15 into 2 parts x, and another one will be 15 minus x. Okay. Now sum of their reciprocal is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x, and according to the question that will be equal to 3 by 10. So if you solve it, 15x minus x square, 15 minus x plus x equal to 3 by 10. So you can cancel these two terms, and 150 equal to 45x minus 3x square. Okay. So 3x square minus 45x plus 15, okay, 150 equal to 0. You can divide both all the term by 3 and you will get x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 equal to 0. x minus 10 minus 5 x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. So x will be 10 or 5. Okay. If x is 10, then 15 minus x, other number will be 5, and if x equal to 5, then other number will be 10. 15 minus 5, that will be 10. So the number will be, in case of both the condition, you will get two number, that is 5 and 10. Okay. So the answer will be 5 and 10. Okay, two parts. Now see question number 3. See, sum of the square of two positive integer is 208. If the square of the larger number is 18 times of the smaller number, find the number. Okay, so let the smaller number is x. Okay. So another number, see this sum of the square of two positive integer is 208, right? So another number will be root under 208 minus x square. If one number is x square, suppose another number is y square, y, okay, another number is y, then x square plus y square equal to 208. You can do it in rough. X square plus y square equal to 208. Okay, that means y square equal to 208 minus x square, this one. Okay, so y will be root under 208 minus x square. Okay, so if one number is x, another number will be root under 208 minus x square. Now since they have written that two positive integers, that's why you have to omit that negative symbol plus minus whenever you are considering this portion. So you have see, you can ask me that question, that y square equal to this one, that means y will be plus minus this one, obviously that one, but you have to omit that negative number because it is mentioned that two positive integer. Okay, now the thing, see, if the square of the larger number is square of the larger number, see we have chosen this x as smaller number, and so this one will be the larger one, square of this one, that means according to the question minus x square, that is 18 times of the smaller number, so 18x. So from here you can write x square minus 18x minus 208 equal to 0. 8x square plus 18x minus 208 equal to 0. Now x square you can write like this, plus 26x minus 8 minus 208 equal to 0. Now from here you can say x plus 26 minus 8, you can take common, x plus 26 x minus 8 equal to 0, x equal to minus 26 or 8. Now if x equal to 8, so see here you need to consider 8, not this one, okay, because it is negative integer. See, this is written that two positive integers, so you have to consider this 8. Okay, since numbers are two positive integer, that means x equal to 8. Okay, so the another number will be 208 minus x square means 8 square means 64, so it will be this one, and that means plus minus 12, right? Now again, since there are two positive integer, so you have to consider only the plus 12. Okay, so two numbers are 8 and 12. Okay, now 4. Find two consecutive positive odd number, the sum of whose square is 74. Consecutive positive odd number, that means if one is x, let one number is x, then the other number will be odd number. See, odd number, that means x plus 2, odd number. If one number is odd number, the next odd number will be plus 2. If 3 and 5, two consecutive odd number. If you consider 3, then 3 plus 2, you will get the next odd number. Okay, and see, find sum of whose square is 74. So x, that means x square plus x plus 2 square, it will be 74. Okay, so x square plus, so 2x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 74. Now 2x square plus 4x minus 70 equal to 0. Now you can say x square plus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. From here you can say plus 7x minus 5x minus 35 equal to 0. Now from here you can say like this. Okay, So x will be 7 or minus 7 or 5. Okay, minus 7 or 5. Now see, positive odd number, so you have to choose this one. Okay, so since the number is positive odd number, that implies x equal to 5. Okay, so the other number will be 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Okay, so 5 and 7 will be the two numbers. Now see question number 5. Divide 20 into 2 parts such that 3 times, first part, divide 20 into 2 parts. Let 2 parts are x and 20 minus x. Okay, see, question number 5, let 2 parts are x and 20 minus x. Okay, now see, divide 20 into 2 parts, so we have chosen x and 20 minus x will be the 2 parts. Okay, now see, 2 parts such that 3 times the square of one part, so 3x square of one part, 3 times of square of one part that exceed the other part by 10. So this one minus other part is 20 minus x equal to 10. So 3x square minus 20 minus plus x minus 10 equal to 0. 3x square minus plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now 3x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 30 equal to 0. You can write 3x, you can take common, x plus 10 and minus 9, if you take common from here you will get I have done one mistake. Okay, you can take x as common. Okay, x, 3x plus 10 and minus 3, if you take common from this 2 part you will get 3x plus 10. Okay, that will be equal to 0. Now 3x plus 10 and x minus 3 equal to 0. That implies x will be 3 or minus 10 by 3. Now see, you cannot divide 20 into this part. Okay, so you have to consider this one. Now if x equal to 3, then the other number will be 20 minus 3, that is 17. So the two part of 20 are 3 and 17. Okay, clear? See the question 6. 3 consecutive natural numbers are such that square of the middle number exceeds the difference of the square of other two by 60. Now assume the middle number to be x and form the quadratic equation satisfying above statement. Hence find 3 numbers. So middle number, see, they have told that middle number will be x. So middle number is x. Then the 3 numbers are x minus 1, x and x plus 1. Okay, now see, square of the middle number, that means x square, that exceeds the difference of the square of other two. Other two means x minus 1 and x plus 1. So x plus 1 square minus of x minus 1 square, that will be equal to 60. Okay, according to the question. Now see, a plus b square minus a minus b square, that will give you 4ab, right? 4x here. Okay, so it will be like this. So x square minus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. X square minus 10x plus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. X into x minus 10 plus 6 into x minus 10 equal to 0. X equal to 10 or minus 6. Okay. Now 3 consecutive natural number, since minus 6 is not a natural number, so 3 numbers are 9, 10 and 11. Okay, 10 will be, x will be the middle one, so x minus 1, that means 9, and x plus 1, that means 11. Okay, see the question. Out of 3 consecutive positive integer, the middle number is p. So so the three number will be, 3 numbers are, middle one is p plus 1, consecutive positive number, so p plus 1, and another one will be p minus 1. Okay, now see, 3 times the square of the largest, 3 times the square of the largest number, largest means this one, so 3 into p plus 1 square, that is the square of the largest number, and 3 times, that is 3 into p plus 1 square, that is greater than the sum of the square of the other two number by 67. So this one minus p minus 1 square plus p square equal to 67. Understood? Sum of the square of the other two number are p minus 1 p minus 1 square plus p square, and this one is larger than this one by 67. Okay, understood? Now, so this is according to the question. Okay, so you can write 3p square plus 2p plus 1 minus 2p square minus 2p plus 1 equal to 67. Why this? See, p square, from here you will get p square minus 2p plus 1, and p square plus p square, 2p square minus 2p plus 1. Okay, now first you simplify it. See, 3p square minus 2p square, that means p square, plus 6p, here 6p, minus and minus means plus 2p, that means 8p. Okay, 3 into 1, 3, and minus 1. Okay, minus 67 equal to 0. Clear? That means p square plus 8p minus 65. Why 65? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 67, that means minus 65 equal to 0. Now 65 means 5 into 13, right? So you can write 8 as 13 minus 5p minus 65 equal to 0, p square here. Okay, you can take, okay, p square plus 13p minus 5p minus 65 equal to 0. So p plus 13 minus 5, you can take common, p plus 13 equal to 0. That means p plus 13, p minus 5 equal to 0, p equal to minus 13 or 5. Now see, again, consecutive positive integer, so you have to take this one, since p is positive integer, that's why p equal to 5. Now question number 8, read the question. A positive number is divided into two parts such that the sum of the squares of the two parts is 20. Okay, so from here, if you take smaller part is question number 8, let the smaller part is x, because here they have told to taking x as the smaller part, that's why I am taking x as the smaller part. Okay, so from this first line, according to the question, another part is 20 minus x, root over 20 minus x square. okay, and positive number, okay. So this 2 will be positive, so root, that means you have to take the positive part, positive root, okay. Now see the square of the larger part. Square of the larger part means 20 minus x square, square of the larger part. That is 8 times of the smaller part, that is equal to 8 times of the smaller part, that is x. So x square plus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. X square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 equal to 0. X plus 10 minus 2 you can take common from here. X equal to minus 10 or x equal to 2, okay. Now since x since the number is positive number, so x equal to 2. Since the number is positive, okay, so the smaller part will be 2 and the other part equal to root under 20 minus 2 square. So the another part is 8, okay. Hence the number is 2 plus 8, that will be 10. Now see, difference between two natural number is 5. So let one number is x, then the other number will be x plus 5. So the other number is x plus 5, okay. Now obviously x is a natural number and x plus 5 will be greater than that number. Now see, they have told difference of their reciprocals. Now if you take the reciprocals, then 1 by x will be greater than 1 by x plus 5. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5. Why this is important? Because it is given that difference of their reciprocal is 1 by 10, not minus 1 by 10. See here 1 by x is greater than 1 by x plus 5. That's why 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 will be a positive number. Understood? So that is according to the question. Okay. Now see, if you remove that fraction part, x plus 5 minus x equal to 1 by 10. 5 x square plus 5x here equal to 1 by 10. Now see, x square plus 5x equal to, if you cross multiply, it will be 50. X square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. Now x square plus 10x minus x 5x, sorry, minus 5x, you can write like this, minus 50 equal to 0, right? So x you can take common, minus 5 you can take common, that will be equal to 0, okay. Now from here you can say x plus 10, x minus 5 equal to 0, that means x equal to 10, sorry, minus 10 or 5. Now obviously you have to take this one. Why? Because it is a natural number. See, two natural number. So since you can write like this, since x is a natural number, that means x equal to 5, okay. So the another number will be, another number is 5. See the question number 10, okay. Sum of the squares of two consecutive odd natural numbers. So two consecutive odd natural number. Let one number is x, then the other number will be x plus 2, two consecutive odd natural number, natural number and odd number, okay, and sum of the square, that means x, according to the question, x square plus x plus 2 whole square equal to 394, okay. So x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 394, okay. Now see, 195, if you divide it by 5 you will get again, if you divide by 3 you will get 13, right? Now see, that means x square plus 15x minus 13x minus 195 equal to 0. You can write like this, 15x minus 13x equal to 2x, x plus 15 minus 13, x plus 15 equal to 0, okay. X plus 15, x minus 13 equal to 0. So x will be minus 15 or 13. Now since x is natural number na? Yes, natural number. That implies x equal to 13, okay. X equal to 13 and the other number is 13 plus 2, it will become 15, okay. Now see question number 11. Sum of the square of two consecutive multiple of 7 is 637. Taking the bigger number x as a positive number, find the smaller of these two number, not angles, okay. Okay, see, if okay, let bigger number is x. Now see, this x is a positive number and these two numbers are multiple of 7. Now what it means, multiple of 7? See, what are the multiple? First find what are the multiple of 7, then 14, then 21. That means difference of two consecutive multiple is 7. I mean two consecutive multiples means either 7 and 14 or 14 and 21 or 21 and 28, this type of things consecutive means, and difference between these two will be 7 constant all the time, okay. So if the bigger number is x, then the smaller one will be number is x minus 7. Now according to the question, x square plus x minus 7 square equal to 637, okay. Now if you see, 7 square means plus 49, it will be plus 49. So finally you will get this one, okay, standard form of quadratic equation. Now see, you can write like this, x square minus 21x plus 14x, okay, 21x plus 14x minus 214 equal to 0. So x minus 21 plus 14. Now from here you can say x equal to 21 or minus 14. Now obviously x equal to 21, that number you have to consider, because see, it is given that x is a positive number. That means x equal to 21 since x is positive number. Okay, now if x is 21, you have to find the smaller of these two, not angles, this will be numbers. Okay, so smaller, so the smaller number will be, smaller number is 21 minus 7, that will be 14. Okay, 14 will be the answer. See the last one, two positive numbers difference, this is difference, okay, printing mistake, okay, two positive number difference by 5. So if one is x, another one will be x plus 5. 3 times the square of the larger number exceeds the twice the square of smaller number by 334. Find the larger of these two number. Okay, so number 12, let one number is smaller number, you can say smaller number is x. Then according to the question, another number will be, number is x plus 5. Okay, now 3 times the square of the larger number is this one, so 3 into x plus 5 square, that exceeds twice of square of the smaller number by 334. Okay, now if you simplify, you will get 3 into x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 2x square equal to 334. Okay, now if you simplify x square plus 30x plus 3 into 25, 75 minus 334, okay, equal to 0. X square plus 30x minus 259 equal to 0. Now see, 259, you can 259 is product of 7 and 37. Okay, if you divide it by 7, you will get 37, and 37x minus 7x you can write like this. Okay, so you will get x equal to minus 37 or 7. Okay, now obviously you have to choose the positive one because it is given two positive number. So x equal to 7, since you can write like this, since x is a positive number, so the other number will be 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Okay, 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So the two number will be, find the larger of these two number. So larger number will be 12. Okay.